Peace of Mind and Body 17. I read a news article a while ago, which I wanted to briefly discuss. It reported on the difficulty in balancing and fulfilling all of one's worldly duties in the modern world, and the stress associated with this. Muslims should understand that if they desire to avoid this common stress, they should prioritize each task and responsibility correctly. This is only possible when one does this according to the teachings of Islam, instead of their desires or the desires of others. Whenever one reorders the list of priorities advised in Islam, it always leads to difficulties and stress. For example, when one strives excessively in the material world beyond their needs and necessities, thereby neglecting their other responsibilities, such as correctly raising their children, it will lead them to nothing but stress from both what they acquired and from their misguided children. The one who does not prioritize their duties correctly is like the university student who prioritizes having fun over preparing for their exams. This only leads them to obtaining a poor degree and a difficult job. Because of prioritizing incorrectly, they gave up an easy life through a good job for a few years of fun at university, which leads to a difficult life in the long run. Incorrectly prioritizing affects every aspect of one's life, and it can lead to sins if one obeys people over Allah, the Exalted. Therefore, it is important for Muslims to follow the priority set by Islam, which begins with obeying Allah, the Exalted, and the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, above all others. This is only possible to obtain through seeking and acting on Islamic knowledge. Through this, a Muslim will prioritize everything and everyone in their life correctly, and use the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, as outlined in the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will lead to the precious and rare gift of peace of mind and body in this world, and everlasting bliss in the hereafter. Chapter 16 An-Nahl, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.